Hey everybody, it's Jake here with the DIA guys today, and we were out greasing the excavator, before we were getting ready to use it, and a grease gun ran out of grease. So I thought it would probably be a good opportunity to just show you the process. Maybe that would be helpful to some people about how you put grease back in your grease gun. So we're going to use this cartridge type replacement. This just happens to be Pennzoil grease. There's a lot of brands out there. You can get whatever suits you. But this is something that you might run into as you grease, say, the front end of your car, maybe some four-wheelers, maybe some of your equipment, tractors and so forth, things like that. So the first thing you want to do, obviously when you pump this thing, there's going to be no grease coming out, so that's your first sign that you need more grease. So down here at the bottom, this handle, this T-handle, you want to grab this T-handle and you want to pull the T-handle out and you want to lock it in place. So it's going to come out, and then over here on the side, there'll be a notch, so you kind of move the handle over to the side and lock it in that notch. Now some grease is going to come out. That's probably going to happen to you. That's going to be normal. One thing about greasing things is you probably have experience doing it. It's a messy job. So maybe you want to wear gloves, but you obviously want to try to keep everything as clean as possible. And then once that T-bar, T-handle's out, that plunge handle's out, then you can loosen up the top of your grease gun here. Take off the top of it like so. And then you'll have your empty bottle of grease on the inside. Now on this bottle of grease, or this cartridge of grease, there's a ring around here that keeps it from going all the way down into the grease gun. So you just want to kind of grab that. Again, now this surface is going to be sharp, so maybe you want to wear a pair of gloves, or you can use a pair of pliers or something like that. Grab a hold of that and just pull it right on out. All right, set it to the side. Now this is a good time. We've gone ahead and done some cleaning on this grease gun. This is a good time to clean your grease gun up, because this can kind of be a messy thing here. And I always like to keep things as clean as I can. So here's a new container of grease. One side's gonna have a plastic type lid on it. The other side's gonna have a pop top lid. As you can see, this one was dropped at some point, kind of got damaged. I had to take a pair of pliers and straighten it up the best I could. It'll be fine for this grease gun, putting it in here. So one thing you also notice is these grease cartridges, everyone I've ever seen always has a direction that you place the gun in, the grease in the grease gun. And so that's no different here. This is telling you this end goes in the grease gun first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this packaging here, pop off this top and remove that container. Then take the bottom of your grease gun, the housing, and slide your tube down inside your gun, and it should basically stop where that metal ring on your grease cartridge stops at the top of the gun. Okay, so just like open up a Coca-Cola or Pepsi Cola or whatever, grab the whole top of this thing, or a can of peaches, I guess. Grab a hold of that, pop it open, set that to the side. All right, so now your grease gun's in your grease cartridge is in your gun. And take your top, screw it back on. You don't have to bear hug this thing on. You can just hand tighten it on. It should be fine. And with that hand tightened on, grab a hold of your T-handle. So as you can see, I don't know if it was easily seen before because of the grease, but it's kind of over here on the side in a notch. So hopefully you can see that. It's kind of in the side of a notch. So what we're going to do is grab a hold of this T-handle and pull it. You can see it comes out of the notch, and then release it. And I kind of wiggle it a little bit and push the T-handle up in the grease gun, and you're ready to roll. So that's how you load a grease gun and get it ready to go. This one's going to go back in the excavator. That's where it stays. So just want to shoot this quick video, maybe some tips or some things that might be helpful for you when you have to reload your grease gun, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks. See you guys. Bye.